When you say, good evening, ma'am. So they started answer sa activity before, and we're going to use the same database. Um, same sa tong previous activities, no? So we are required to create a procedure. So create mga procedures and then mga functions. So and then display the title of the movie and the year it was released as an output. So first, I want to create it accepts the rating of the movie. Let's start. So magamit lang ko drop function since try naman ko na and then to check if na may mga errors. So yeah, turning it like igamit ka lang. And then get rating. Since rating mo itong um, sa itong zero. So next is create or replace function. Get name is by rating. And then maybe rating I will be using welcome. Similar, no? If small person. And then so table para dili na pud kayo ano ka ng kaysa mag-log need akong ang akong laptop if ano siya taas yung duration sa especially if mag-share screen ko and mag-record. So ato siya i-skip and then or i-fast forward. So i-fast forward na ako niya dito ta sa pag-run na tayo later. So since human naman ta sa pag create ani and then try na to run if what siya kung is ma-upload. Hopefully, success siya. So, success. And then, try na to og i-call ang function using select by rating. And then, no, katong, let's see if we're actually na show siya result. So, here, ang yung title, and then the release year, as you can see. So, next, is to create a procedure that uses the customer ID and displays the amount paid and date of payment. And for now, so the second serum is to create procedure that uses customer ID. So same lang yapon kay ano maggamit og graph get customer payment and the details. So, and then, yeah, tatong create or choose procedure. And then same, get customer, payment, and then details, and then customer ID, input, and then go into this integer. Language. So, same Japan ganyan nga mag i fast forward na Japon ako. Di ka siya, dili kayo siya ka ng maglagang laptop and para di siya taas ang duration. Okay, so since we're done, and now try na to siya run. And check if, yeah, so success siya. And then try na to call, um, if wala pa siya error. And let's try call my customer. So if dili yung siya mo run, no, try na to siya select. And then run. Customer. And then, so data separate function. Number three, a data pulls the number of films done by an actor. So first, the function if exists, for later, then what exists, then count films by an actor, then create place, and then turn out to siya run. Um, hopefully, and then try natin siya og call. Call na tong function. For, and then try na to call, um, idea to niya is mga, try na to, 61. Okay, sorry. Same na siguro. Not so confirm. Then next, create a function. I display the number of us of stackers store.